Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can change the ringtone on OPPO A60. To do this, first we need to go to the settings. In the settings you want to scroll down to find sounds and vibration and then go there. Over here scroll down until you find ringtone. And over here you can tap on ringtone and here you can choose either classic themes, aquamorphic themes, or you can set up a custom ringtone if you have an audio file on your device, and then you can tap on this device. I'm gonna choose a classic theme. Over here, if you select one of these ringtones, then you will also hear the preview. My device is muted, so you cannot really hear it, but in your case, if your device is not muted, then you will hear the preview. Once you select your favorite ringtone that you want to apply, simply go back after selecting it, of course, by tapping on it. If you go back, then that's all you need to do. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!